Okay, see you.
Sige, pandalan ko na. Okay.
Salamat.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nasali ka na.
See you next week.
Next week? Again?
See you next week.
Next Saturday.
Mate.
Great place.
Lenny.
Because we're going to get full of people who's going to spew on you.
Bye. Thank you.
For good dinner.
Okay, thank you, Len. Thank you, Ate.
Bye, Philip. Thank you very much.
Great. Oh, you better not drown. Let Johnny drown.
Thank you. Have you enjoyed
Bye,
yourself?
blessing.
See you, Ate. See you, bless.
You don't remember.
It's okay.
No,
I didn't drink that much. I didn't drink much.
Bye.
Because I'm
Bye-bye.
driving.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Dito ka na lang tumira. Don't be sad, kuya. Kuya mo, don't be sad.
Kuya Eddie.
Kuya, don't be sad. What happened?
I think he would be on, wouldn't he?
I don't know. He didn't have that many because he kept putting them in the eye. Probably about 5 or 6.
Yeah, more than that. But that's a while ago. He never had it for the last 2 hours.
Yeah,
Who's driving, Kuya Moy?
Kuya Moy, yeah.
It's alright. He knows. You okay to drive, Kuya Moy? Okay.
2014.
2014, why?
2014, see you in Switzerland.
Bye-bye. Oy, don't forget your ano, ha? Oy, supat! Tago di.